We're living through two urgent realities at the same time. On one hand, some young people are struggling to find work that's stable and meaningful, alors que notre marché du travail est en constante évolution. On the other hand, our country is facing a massive shortage of skilled trades workers. We need over 400,000 people over the next 10 years that can build new homes, power our industries, and strengthen our national defense. How can it be that both things are true? Ce n'est pas la première fois qu'il est difficile pour un jeune de trouver un emploi. Dans le passé, trouver un travail stable, bien payé et formateur était déjà difficile. Pour beaucoup de jeunes, le chemin vers une bonne carrière n'est pas une ligne droite. So this is a case where two things are true. Some youth are finding it very hard to get a job, and some employers are saying it's very hard to find people, especially in the skilled trades. But we need these skilled workers if we want to meet the ambition of our communities to build big and protect our country. And so we're doubling down with $6 billion to build Team Canada Strong. We're going to make it easier to enter the skilled trades, get the training, and land that job that not only helps build our future, but ensures great skills, great careers, and well-paying jobs. We're creating 100,000 paid, hands-on work placements that will help make sure anyone who wants a way to get in has paid experience that leads to learning and earning in the skilled trades. Second, we'll make sure that you have everything you need to finish your training. You will get up to $400 per week while you're in your block training, and that can total up to $16,000 in support. We'll also help you out if you're out of work and you're waiting for your next block of hours. And when you finish, you'll get $5,000 in a completion grant that will help you kickstart your career with your Red Seal. Third, we'll help make sure that when you're ready for that first year of your apprenticeship, there's a place for you. We'll give employers up to $10,000 to hire and train you, ensuring that you have a mentor and a clear career path that lasts. J'ai rencontré des jeunes comme Callie, plombière en Nouvelle-Écosse et Tyler au Nouveau-Brunswick. Ils ont choisi les métiers spécialisés et ils adorent ça. Ces métiers sont très demandés, importants et paient très bien. To build Canada Strong, we need all hands on deck. And a career in the trades is a true win-win. A great job, great pay, great respect, and a huge contribution to the future of Canada, strong and free. So let's get going. Find out more about how you can build the next generation's pride in our country.